Welcome again to the tutorial about configuring Cycloss 4. In this video we will manually create a few users and show you how to configure the registration process. So, let's log in again as an administrator to our basic network. In the main menu, select Users. As you are the network administrator, you now get an overview of all users of the basic network. You can search on keywords, groups, or status of a user. When you press Advanced, you can even apply more filters. But in our case we do not have any users yet, so the list is empty. Let's create a new user by pressing New. In the pop-up, we can choose the type of user we want to create. Let's create a new Silver member of Region A. We have to enter a name, a login name, and an email address. This is mandatory. Normally, the user will receive an activation mail, but for now, we will skip that. We will assign a password, but it does not need to be changed after logon. Press Save and Add New to create 3 more users for the other member groups. When finished, select Users in the main menu again. And here they are, our 4 test users. You can have a look at their profiles by clicking on the user. Now let's log off as administrator and log on as the A Silver member. This is the home page the logged on user gets. The shortcuts on this page are configured in the product the wizard initially created for us. We assigned it to both group sets, remember? But not all 27 available shortcuts will show. Only shortcuts for activated functionality will appear. Press on the button Account Info. Notice that this user has only one account, the trade account. And, in the side menu, you see that the user can pay another user or the system. Okay, now log off. And log on as the B Gold user. The same home page is showing. Press the Account Info button. Notice that this user has 2 accounts as intended. In the side menu, this user has an extra payment option, Internal Payment. This payment option enables payments between the trade and savings account, and back again. So, everything looks okay, we can log off. But we are not there yet. There is still something to do. We created 4 users as an administrator. But we want users to be able to register themselves. Luckily, the wizard already created a registration process for us. Press on Register in the top right-hand corner. You now see a registration form, but it lacks one important choice, the group you want to become a member of. And the profile fields you need to fill in are determined by the products of the group you want to become a member of. So, what's happening? Well, the wizard created a registration process for the member group. And we later renamed this group to A Silver. And its profile fields are determined by the member product. So, we have to adapt the registration process. Log on as an administrator again. Select System in the main menu. In the left side menu select Configurations and select the default configuration. We will discuss configurations in the next tutorial, but for now we will change a few necessary settings. Scroll all the way down to the section called Data Visible to Guests. Item number 6 of this section is called Possible Groups for Public Registration. This is the setting we need to change. In the drop-down, tick the boxes of the Gold and Silver members. We will not allow users to register as a broker. So leave these boxes unticked. We will cover this subject in a separate tutorial of Cycloss 4. Scroll down and press Save. That's it. Log off again. Now, when we press Register, we first have to choose the member group we want to join. Next, the registration form appears, with all the necessary profile fields for this particular group. This concludes users and registration. In the next video, we will further explore configurations.